I'm at the Dollar Tree and I thought we could take a look at their books to see if there's anything new. So let's see. So this is called Book of Beasts. I don't think I've seen this before. Okay, so that's new. And none of these are in any kind of order, guys. Okay, so let's just look. This right here says Blast of Sugar. I think we've seen that one. And this one says The Mine of Winter. Okay. This is the Holy Bible Testament. And let's look over here. Okay. So this is the Holy Bible. This back here says Production. Jeanel Production. I think I said that right. The Fire Line. This was called QB. My Life Behind the Spiral, Stephen Young. And here's that other one. Okay, that's that one. Okay, and then this is Speak Up. Okay, Emilio Estefan. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. And this one's called Placebo Junkies. And this one's called, let me see, My Side of the Street. That's also new, guys. And this one here says The Case Against Sugar. Now that's interesting. This one is the orphan mother, and I think I saw that here before. The regional office is under attack, Manuel Gonzalez. And this one is The Light as a Feather. Ones and Zeros. The City of Saints and Thieves. And you have this one. Let me see, Old School. Life in the Same Lane. And then these books are new. Look at this one. Landforms and Weather. Let's see. Around the World. That's a learning to read. So this is level 3, guys. That's level 2. That's level 3. Okay, and then this one is Baby Animals. That's level 1. Level 2, Natural Wonders, Ocean Life. That's level 1. That's pretty neat. So then they have Hello Gorgeous. And you know what? They have a lot of kids' books in here today. Okay. Your Ultimate Guide to Style. And what is this one? Oh, The Wife's Tale. A Personal History of Ada Mariam. And then this one is Follow Me Back. That one is called The 12 Dogs of Christmas. The Science and Sorcery. Horse Crazy. The Cutaway. Christina Kovac. This one is Peace and Love and Saved by an Angel. That's from Chicken Soup, is that? Yeah, Chicken Soup for the Soul. This one is My Life to Live, Agnes Nixon. And okay, let's see. So this one is Fragments of the Lost with Megan Miranda. And I don't know what that is, but that one is Anamorphins. This one is Box into Shape, American Girl Social Media. The Baby Bumps Twins and Triplets Edition. I think we saw that before. And this one is The Rift Uprising. And You Know Me Well. Okay. And that's Write Your Own Fairy Tale. What is that one? A Divided Spy. Long Road Home. I think I've seen that one before. And I don't want to reach back there to knock any of that stuff down, but this one says I Am Duran. In Prior Woods, The Anti-Aging Breakthrough Diet, 7 years younger. Okay, let's go down here and see what's down here. Okay, this is A Wife's Tale. I think I saw that. Okay, Love Warrior. Okay, this one is A Whole Life by Robert C. Haler. High Places. Okay, and then this one says Purity. Purity, Jonathan Franzen. That's new, and here is that anti-aging diet, guys. And this one is How to Be Famous. Wow, I could use that. And let's see. The Rift. I think we saw that. Here's Confessions of a Secular Jesus Follower. Charles Cumming, a novel, Divided Spy. And this one is The Quick Guide to Food Facts. So here you have Practice Makes Perfect. 5-minute bedtime stories. There you have another one of those books of beasts. Let's move this over here. And these are the 5-minute bedtime stories. Those are pretty neat, guys. And this one says Soup Made Simple. And this one says The House by the Lake. So they have quite a bit of these purity books right here. And then this one, what is that one? A board. That looks interesting. And then over here we have like the coloring books. Here's the Avengers Jumbo Coloring Activity Book, Mickey Mouse Brave Coloring Book. So we have all of that. Then over here we have some more of the stories. Like this one says Animals of the World, Jack and the Beanstalk, Dazzle Duckling. What is this one? A Little Mouse Finds a Friend. Okay, so we have some books, little kids books, and down here we have some more kids books. These are pretty neat over here. So we have the story of Joseph, and then it says I'm busy. I'm busy. Animals of the World. And then you have Frozen, Fearless by Nature. Daniel in the Lion's Den. 5-minute Bible stories and 5-minute bedtime stories. And then you have some more coloring books over here. And over here you have some more books. Then you have Snow White, Things That Go, Dinosaurs, Star Wars back there. Some more coloring books over here. And it looks like that's it. Let's see what's at this end cap over here. Some construction paper and some paint. And some adhesive down here. And some, look how the size of these books, guys. These art books. And then some spray glue, construction paper. What are these? Funny faces. That's pretty neat, guys. And then the desktopper's over here. And then you have some crayons and stuff, guys. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out their book section. And I will see you guys in another video.